Hi guys, in this video I'll be demonstrating to you how the Mac and iPad used together creates an amazing experience. So let's get started. So the first is Airdrop. Airdrop allows you to import photos and videos from one device to another. So as I'm showing you now, I am in the Photos app and I have selected a photo from my iPad and I'm going to airdrop it to my MacBook. So I select the share icon, it brings me up this sheet, and on the top row you'll see a list of people who I'm in regular contact with. And as you can see, my MacBook appears. I tap it, you'll hear a radar sound effect, and the image is now on my Mac in the Downloads folder. The second is Universal Clipboard. This basically means that I can copy and paste text or images to and from my various Apple devices. So I'm going to select this piece of text from my Mac. That text is now floating in the air, pretty much like the chocolates in Willy Wonka. And if I open up a brand new note in Notes on my iPad, I can press and select Paste. Now you'll see what I copied from my Mac has now appeared on my iPad. The third and final is scanning documents. If I open up the same note in Notes on my Mac, I can right click, and as you can see there are options to take a photo or scan a document. So when I select scan documents, the scanning feature will now show up on my iPad. Here I have a simple document, my iPad can see it as it's highlighted, and I can select the big white button and it gives me the option to crop the document, retake or keep the scan. It will then show up in Notes on my Mac. Those were just a few of the awesome continuity features across the Apple platforms. They basically make your life a lot easier and quicker when performing day-to-day tasks. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video.